A former Houston County bus driver convicted of causing an accident that killed a 6-year-old girl wants the state Supreme Court to throw out her conviction. The court is scheduled to take up Shalita Harris's case this week.
In 2018, authorities said Harris was driving at dangerous speeds when her bus overturned, killing Arlana Haynes and injuring several others. Tonight, Kalisha Moore revisits the case. She talked to a law professor and an attorney connected to the case about Harris's argument for throwing the case out.
This sign on Forest Park Drive cautions drivers to take the curve at 15 miles per hour. But attorney David Dozier, who represented the mother of the 6-year-old killed in the bus accident, says Shalita Harris was traveling faster than that.
And this wasn't the first day this lady took these actions either with all those children, and this is the first time it blew up on her.
Harris was convicted of reckless driving and vehicular homicide. Now she's asking the state Supreme Court for a new trial, arguing jurors searched online for information about her possible sentence. Dozier says it's unlikely Harris will get a new trial.
The issue at hand, of course, is what do you do about jurors and their ability to research right in the palm of their hand?
Well, I think increasingly what we're seeing is that jurors will access the internet to try to kind of sense what's going on in the case or the law in the area.
Mercer law professor David Odell says jurors shouldn't have outside influence, but in this case, jurors may have felt they needed extra guidance.
What the jurors in this case were looking at was the difference between first and second degree vehicular homicide and what the penalty might be for that.
The professor says Harris could have a chance to overturn her conviction.
I would ordinarily say this is a tough case to make, but I think in this case, she's got a shot.
When you've got someone collecting evidence that fast and you got video evidence of what occurred, what could the internet possibly add to it that would seem to make a decision about whether someone was guilty or innocent?
In Macon, Kalisha Moore, 13 WMAZ News.
Dozier says he and his legal team have completed its litigation with the Houston County School District, but are still suing Bluebird, the manufacturer of the bus.
The Georgia Supreme Court is scheduled to hear arguments in the Harris case Wednesday in Atlanta.